Hello everybody, my name's Adam Stringer and I'm Senior Partnerships Manager North America at Insta360. So as you can see here, I am holding our flagship 360 action camera. It's the world's greatest 360 action camera right now. It's called the X4 and it shoots in 8K 360 video. You can hear in the background, we've got some creator sessions going on at our CES booth and a ton of people here excited to learn more about the latest and greatest Insta360 products. A bit more on this one. It's our best-selling product and it shoots in 360. So that means when you're using it here, you can use it on this invisible selfie stick. The stick becomes invisible. The result is like a floating drone. And shooting in 360, it means you can shoot first, reframe later, and never miss a moment.
I'm sorry.
All right.
What do you say?
Great. Okay, so also over here you can see our GO 3S, which is the world's smallest action travel camera. This is a real fantastic one. You see, you can use it in the action pod like so, like a more traditional camera, or you can pop it out and use it just like this, which weighs 39 grams and shoots in 4K resolution. So it's a little beast. The hands-free POV with this is fantastic if you put it on the magnetic pendant. Okay, so let's...
Insta360, are you the market leader for 360?
We are the global market leader for 360 action cameras, absolutely. And it's X4 right here, which is our flagship right now and the world's best by far.
What is this?
This is our Pro 2, which shoots in 8K 360 video. We also have to the left over here this awesome looking thing, which is the Titan that shoots in 11K 360 video.
What's really cool about shooting 360 is that you can crop with AI, super stable, exactly where you want, right?
Exactly, so there's lots of benefits of shooting 360. One of them is going to be the stabilization. The stabilization is incredibly smooth. So whether you're using this on a motorcycle, running around while you're traveling, the footage is going to come out buttery smooth. And then also, you can shoot first and reframe later, which is I think the favorite and most popular features, especially of mine, meaning whatever I'm doing, the camera's filming everything, and then I just go in the app afterwards and I can choose all the perspectives that I want and cut and share my videos super easily on our app.
And so, even though it films in 8K, you can crop it into kind of like a 4K or 1080?
Exactly, so it's 8K, but you imagine those pixels are dispersed in a full 360 sphere. So then when you cut and punch in on a certain perspective, you'll lose some pixels there, but you're still going to get amazing wide angle content.
And here at the CES 2025, you have presentations by creators, right?
We have tons of presentations by fantastic creators. Yesterday we had Cash Money here, who's just probably the world's best 360 video editor. We had Tyler Johnson here earlier, who's one of our top videographers. We also had Drex Lee on before, who's bringing a lot of hype and energy. And our next creator session is coming up soon, and that's why you can hear how loud it is and you can see all the people over here excited to learn more about Insta360.
Nice. And they have all kinds of stories about how they use them. They've been talking about that, right, at the show?
Absolutely. So they're telling all the best creator tips and tricks, sharing some insights, sharing some stories, showing lots of cool videos on the screen, how they edit, and it's been really fantastic. We've been having lots of big giveaways as well, and that's why so many people are coming and excited to learn more.